visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal readings. So, let's check kung anong mga nangyayari sa paligid, kung ano ang mga nangyayari sa buhay-buhay, especially with the changes, no, sa ating astrological parang settings ngayon. I want you to know that this is a general reading, so you may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lang. And I want you to know that this is a reading which is timeless, no? Kung kailan niyo po ito napanood, that is the time that the message is meant to find you. So, wow, patience. It felt like medyo, are we really having patience, or are we losing patience with this relationship? It felt like you're actually waiting, Phoenix Rising. So it felt like medyo meron tayong challenges dito sa relationship, no? There may be some separations, whether this is physical separation or energetic separation. Para sa mga bago, what is physical separation? That's actually the self-explanatory of it. The person might be in a different city, state, county, country, different continent. Physical, magkalayo kayo. Pero energetic separations, pwede naman kayo nagkikita, no, sa trabaho, sa opisina, sa bahay. However, hindi kayo nag-uusap, so there's still some separation or gap. I feel like with the inner child in here, so parang nawawala din kasi, or nawala yung saya natin when we got separated from the person. And parang inaantay natin, no, na somewhat ma-feel natin uli yung saya, ma-feel natin uli na ngumiti, no? Nawala yung enthusiasm natin when it comes to siguro living day by day, no? Malaki ang impact, emotional impact nitong separation ninyo. You're hoping, I think that you're crossing your fingers for your person to return, to rekindle the love. And I think for a small percentage of you, siguro may nagdadalang tao, no, for the sake of ayoko magkaroon ang aking magiging anak, no, ng walang father figure, no. I just wish that my person would return. Siguro, more than anything, ay iniisip mo dito kahit sa bata na lang. Pero, syempre, somehow, sana maibalik pa rin itong relationship. With the Nine of Pentacles, the Tower. So, ganun kagrabe yung sadness natin. Mental health probably became a factor in here because of the Tower. The Tower kasi is a devastating sort of tragedy. You should have parang harvesting things, no? Pero as of the moment, medyo hindi mo magawa yun. You feel a part of you died. With the Five of Wands, the Two of Swords, and the Seven of Cups, chances are, ang sakit naman nito, nagkaroon ng third party, pinagpalit tayo, walang ibang, hindi ko magagawan to ng positive scripting eh. Kasi with the Five of Wands, this signifies challenges. This signifies fights. This signifies misunderstanding. The Two of Swords are separation. Uh, the Seven of Cups might also signifies options. So with that being said, sinamahan pa ng Tower. So with all the combinations, your happiness was declined or was taken away from you by someone else. So parang feeling mo pinagnakawan tayo, no? Ninakaw sa atin yung saya, ninakaw sa atin yung taong mahal natin, ninakaw sa atin yung future na pwedeng dapat na binubuo natin. With the Tower, let's clarify that with the Six of Cups and the Ace of Cups, siguro nami-miss mo na rin itong mga caress ni person, no? Yung mga paghawak-hawak niya ng buhok mo, pagyakap-yakap niya sa'yo. I feel like there's someone in here na medyo niyayakap din sa bewang or yung ganyan, yung parang may yakap sa love handle, or probably ikaw yun, gustong-gusto mong ginaganon si person. I'm seeing here the height is not equal. Parang medyo matangkad siya sa'yo or ikaw yung medyo matangkad. Basta something here, the height is not equal. I'm also seeing na siguro si person mahilig sa cap, no? Yung, sombrero. With the Two of Swords, the Ten of Cups, and the Queen of Cups. It felt like, bakit parang something about the picnic, something about gathering. It felt like there's someone in here na medyo siguro may kutob ka na this person might, siguro sabihin natin ganito, if in case nakita mo na si third party, alam mo na parang merong intention itong third party na ito, pero ayaw mong bigyan ng kulay. Tapos bigla mo na sabi, ay, ano pala, tama pala yung hinala ko. Akala ko madumi lang yung isip ko na may nagkakagusto sa person ko, but then again, ayun nga, parang feeling natin na ahas ito sa atin. Hindi natin to na call out eh. Doon naman sa mga hindi nakakita, it felt like kasama nila ito kung either sa trabaho, kaibigan, they went out of town, no? It could be a team building, what have you, and then doon nag-spark. Ang masakit dito, yung sabihin natin, iba dito tinuring pang kaibigan. Probably you are cooking food for them. Hindi mo na mamalaya na meron na pala nangyayari, no? Or meron balak itong so-called friend, no? The Star, the Lovers, and the Knight of Wands. Ay, kahit papaano nakamasid pa rin siya, no? Si person sa'yo. Kahit papaano, tinitignan pa rin niya kung ano ang kalagayan mo. There must be something in here that you are being compared doon sa ng ahas. I feel like meron din ditong namimiss ka in a way. Siguro inuusig din siya ng kanyang konsensya with the Hierophant and the Ten of Wands. Parang nahihirapan itong humingi ng tawad eh, no? So, with the patterns, iba pa rin yung pag-aalaga mo. Iba pa din kung paano mo siya mahalin. Iba pa din yung kalinga na hindi niya makita. With the Star, it can be na sabihin natin mas angat sa'yo when it comes to physical, or it could also be mas popular, or it could be mas mapera, no? Pero dito na pumapasok na those were just yung parang napaka-shallow. Yun nga lang, nagpadala siya at first. But then again, when the comparison starting to happen, parang nandito na siya sa part na, ay sandali, iba pa rin yung original. Iba pa rin yung kung paano niya ako alagaan. So with the Ten of Wands, parang feeling niya, mapapatawad pa kaya ako ni person? No, with the King of Swords and the Death card, I feel like nagpaplano itong si person na leaving the third party behind, um, wants to rekindle the love. Yes, siguro inaantay mo pa rin siya dahil alam mo iba yung pinagsamahan ninyo, or baka meron na rin siyang sinabi sa'yo, nag-promise na rin siya na babalik ka sa kanya. You're just probably waiting for the action. When is this person going to remove the third party? When is this person going to take action, no? To win you back? Kailan ba matatahimik, no? Itong inyong relasyon? Because it felt like with the star in here, medyo nahihirapan din si person na i-dispose itong third party. Yun nga lang, ang masakit dito, it's none of your doings, pero isa ka sa nagsasuffer, ganun talaga. But then again, I feel like si person gusto naman talaga din itong bumalik. Gusto niyang makipag-ayos, no? Ngayon, nasa sa'yo yun kung babalikan mo siya. Well, what the sense of waiting kung hindi mo naman siya inaantay? But then again, here's your reading. So let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Pero bago yan, kung meron po kayong katanungan dito sa reading na ito, if you resonate, let me know sa comment section. Pero kung this resonates deep within and you want to ask a personal question, meron pong link sa description box ng video na ito. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. So let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Now, this can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Scorpio, Gemini, Leo, Taurus, Aries, Libra, Aquarius, Virgo, Pisces, Cancer. I am seeing Sagittarius. Cancer is very dominant, no? So this is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.